Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sophony Admin and thank you for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe, honey. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I completed this bomb Christmas look. This is my first time celebrating Christmas, and this is my very first Christmas makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys love and enjoy the video. Keep in mind, I'm not going to use anything new except the white eyeliner. I just received them in the mail today. Anyways, I'll put everything in the description box, so you go girl. Yeah, so just watch what I'm doing. This is the easiest dramatic look I've done so far, and I thought it was going to be difficult, but it turned out so good. I love it. I forgot to show you guys the palette I am using for this look. I'm using only 2 eyeshadow colors. I bought this eyeshadow palette just for the red color because it's hard for me to find this shade in eyeshadow palette. Red is one of my favorite colors. I think it looks good on me, and this is the only red I have for now. I hope I find more in the future. Alright, babes, this is the final look. I really appreciate each and every one of you for supporting my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys love this look. If you are going to recreating it, feel free to tag me on Instagram and share this video with your best friend, family, and your social media. This will mean so much to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.